animal hospital.
And the stars we have today is Elena Star, Selena Star,
Iguala Star. And we are the Roblox stars. Guys, I don't. Oh my god. Guys, everybody's jumping. Oh my god.
We don't know why there's people in the line. No, we were just standing here to make the video, and then they just came.
3, 2, 1. Oh my god.
Before we get into this video,
Make sure you like, subscribe, ring the bell, comment down below that if you have done all of it. Wait, guys, wait. Let's do fit check.
fit check.
Ooh, okay, let's show all the people that was in the line. Oh.
Okay,
This is-
let's go in the line again. Yeah, everybody come in the line.
Okay.
No, go out of my spot, bro. Go out of my spot, bro.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, jump.
I'm just gonna.
Guys, we're gonna update you guys when we're in the map. Bye.
Bye.
A few minutes later.
Okay, guys. We are in.
Bro, we have the same outfit.
Who? You two. You and the Igabella. I have a better outfit than you guys. I have a better.
Oh no, we're not allowed to let them in.
I think we need to let these in because anomalys did not.
Yeah. Credits to Fulton. Credits to Fulton.
Yeah, we got the inspiration from Fulton, by the way.
No, why are you doing it, Elena Stir? Okay, guys, we're gonna update you guys when we get like the closing button. This.
Okay. When we are at shift 2, yeah.
Okay, bye, guys.
Okay, guys, I'm back.
Girl, you already started the video.
Oh my God, hello.
Oh my god, this is so not an anomaly.
Yeah, she
Hello.
just. Oh my God, hi, bestie. Hi, bestie, westies.
Hi, Chesty Bestie.
Okay, I'm gonna
Okay. Okay, guys. So we came back. Selena started filming a little bit. She's gonna like send me the video so I can clip it in. Wait,
Yeah.
Selena stop filming because then it's gonna be like too long.
Okay.
This is our first patient.
No, it's second.
Oh my bad,
I'm
my
doing this.
bad.
I already said it, guys. I'm doing
Okay, then who did the other one?
her.
Then I'm gonna do.
Was it a stalker?
Yeah, right here.
I right there. Oh, there's a. Oh, this is so not an anomaly.
Yeah. Oh my God, fit check. You're not an anomaly, right?
Yeah. Selena, go do your patient. No, Iqbal's doing it. Iqbal, go do your patient.
Okay.
Then I'm gonna do this one. No, I'm gonna do it. Okay.
Somebody's burning really loud.
Don't like the way they.
Why is there a microwave? Microwave. Okay, I don't know how to.
Microwave.
Microwave. I can't.
Microwave.
Microwave. Okay, microwave. Bandages and IV drops. Huh? What happened?
I'm dead. I was so close. Why didn't you give him maple syrup? Because I didn't see him. Guys, I need coffee. Go take your coffee. I really need coffee. What else?
Guys, I think there's gonna start a ritual, so I'm gonna take IV drops. I know it.
They're also. I'm gonna take IV drops too, just to be sure, you guys. I have coffee.
Guys, guess who's editing the video?
Huh?
Guess who's editing the video? Who's editing the video?
Yeah, guys, guess who's editing the video?
Bro, there's a gun. I want this, but it costs 405.
What?
This
A gun? No, a lot?
a pew pew.
A pew pew. Someone said pew pew.
Shut. I'm Charlie Taylor. Okay, are you an anomaly? Okay, guys. I saw a video where if they like bend down their back, then they're an anomaly. But if they don't, then they're not.
Goodbye. Hello. Hello. Goodbye. I can't just seriously. We just did. Okay, shush medic.
Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so not an anomaly. I'm doing this one. I'm doing this. I'm doing this baddie. I'm pumpkin song. Oh, pumpkin song.
Pumpkin song. What's up? Is it bad? So pretty. So pretty.
Bro, you have pretty eyes and pretty teeth.
Yeah. Pretty. I'm gonna send you the picture of what I just Makeup expo. Iqbal, I'm gonna send you a picture of what I just did. Okay, yeah, bye. Go on.
Okay.
Number
Okay. Guys, do you see that or is it just me? What is that?
What?
Look, when you move, there's something like here.
Yeah.
Okay. Blue,
What?
blue, yellow, red. Why did you do that?
Guys.
Pink.
Look who here. Yeah, he's not an anomaly. You're not an anomaly? Goodbye. I don't think so.
What? Blue,
Iqbal.
blue, yellow, green. What? Oh my god. Green, yellow, pink. Green, yellow, pink, yellow. Bro, that scared the hell out of me.
Is she? Yeah.
Medicine, okay.
Bye.
How do you guys start a ritual in this room? In room number 6?
6, 7?
I'm scared. He's gonna come after me. Oh my god!
What happened?
Oh, the monster is coming after me. Wait, why does it look like that?
No, why he's following me now?
Haha.
I just lost so much sanity.
Then why did you do that? Why did you do that?
Because or else he's gonna come and eat the picture. Oh yeah, bye.
No, wait, I need to see. We need to see the cameras. Okay, her eyes, I don't know. Okay, wait, let's check her body.
Okay, guys,
Okay, now let's check the picture.
I think we should try.
No, she's good.
I think we should try and get shift 8.
Guys, the light is flickering. Yesterday, me and Selena Star made it to shift 13.
Can I do this one? I'm doing this one.
Okay, you're so not an anomaly. I like your eyeballs.
Me too, girl. Igabala, I'm taking pictures of them and then I'm gonna send.
Oh my God! Look at the camera, bro.
Let me see. Me too.
Oh my God.
So pretty, like Maro, something big. Okay, girl, I'm gonna send you like pictures of them because I go up close.
Okay.
Wait, can you stand right here?
Who, me?
No, Elena. Stop. Stop, I'm taking.
Oh my God, Ratio. Okay, but we can't let you in.
Oh, I
bro.
took a picture of him.
Guys,
He's in anomaly.
okay, should we let him in?
Yeah, Yes, because he is an anomaly. I think so.
No, he's
His
not.
sister.
He's not. But his sister's an anomaly, so we're gonna let him in.
Yeah. He's related to an anomaly.
Yeah.
I'm taking a picture of an anomaly. You're sorry. Go take a close-up picture of the
Boy, Radio, we know your name. Wait, patient or wait, are you an anomaly? Wait, take the fire out. Who has it? Okay, Elena, put him out, but we're bro, come here at the front.
It's at the front.
Fast, fast, girl, Elena. Okay, but we're not gonna let you in.
Oh my god, the Raku's. He needs ointment. He needs ointment. And then he needs a Dominator and then some cough syrup.
Guys, I'm gonna get pickup chocolate, okay? I'm gonna eat pickup chocolate.
What the heck is that? Did you pick up chocolate?
No, it's pick up the chocolate. Oh, you're so not an anomaly. You have pretty eyes though.
Wait, I need to take a picture of him. Oh.
Guys, look in the camera.
Okay, you're so not.
Yeah, like, yeah. I would not believe that you are an anomaly. Wait. Oh my god. Bro, why are you attacking an anomaly? Bro! Oh my god.
Put the slime out with the fire extinguisher.
Hey. Okay, wait, let's see.
Coffee. I need my coffee.
Ooh, body. Okay, you're an anomaly.
I'm at 18.
Okay, this is an anomaly, so we're not gonna let her in.
Bye-bye. Why do you have different...
Oh my god! You are an anomaly. He is an anomaly.
Yeah, he is actually.
Yeah, actually, he tried to kill us.
Wait, guys, can I give him the cup because I have 18 sanity? Wait, I'm taking a picture of him. Wait, I need him to stop talking.
Let's give him coffee, and because then we're gonna get 2 coffee machines.
Yeah. I need to give him coffee.
Yeah, you're gonna get it. Elena Star, you need to drink 2 times and then give it to him.
Yes. I can give you the soda. Can you give it? Bye, Matthew.
Bye, Batty.
Bye, bye, you little stinker.
Guys, you want spoiler or not spoiler? Okay, we're not gonna tell the spoiler.
Which spoiler?
What's gonna happen?
On what?
Ratio and Barney.
Oh, Raphael, isn't he going to poop a key? Elena, you shouldn't have said that. We can just write it.
I'm gonna beep it out.
And plus, it's me that only says it's gonna poop out. That's right.
Okay, are you an anomaly? Okay, you are not an anomaly, so we're gonna check you in. Girl, you need to understand me.
No.
Girl, look in the camera.
Is she an anomaly?
And look at this picture. Girl, you're such a baddie, you're not an anomaly. Who would believe that you are an anomaly? You're pumpkin Takashini.
What? She is not an anomaly. Yeah, so not. Who's treating the patient?
Not me.
Oh, we forgot them. I'm taking room 6.
Alright, is you an anomaly? You is an anomaly.
Wait, I need a picture of him. Is she?
Wait, let me say. A bird year old.
Oh.
She is an anomaly.
Guys, whoever, wait, tell me if somebody is in an anomaly.
Alright.
Yeah. Blue, green.
Guys, like and subscribe if you have made it this far.
Yeah, to shift 3.
Yeah.
Me and Bella, we made it to shift 3.
Yeah. This is. Wait, let me see. Nah, you are an anomaly, so we're gonna close it.
No, she's not.
Go. I'm calling them who's not an anomaly.
Ooh, I think she anomaly. Oh, I think she's not an anomaly.
Wait, let me see.
She normal.
No, guys, we need to say for the like actual persons who are not an anomaly, we're gonna say she is an anomaly. She is an anomaly.
And those who actually is an anomaly, they're not an anomaly. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, hello, you ugly. Let me see if this is an anomaly or not.
Okay, let's check this camera. I'm Hannah Woods.
He is an anomaly, guys.
Wait, let me see in the camera. No, wait. Open it. Wait, let me see. No, she is. She's perfect. What? Stop. She was an anomaly.
I was over here the whole time. I was trying to take a picture of the picture. Sure. Wait, who's treating the patient?
Alina Star, why did you close the picture? The shutters. Because in the photos, it was an anomaly. Guys. Okay, let's go.
I'm gonna treat the patient like this.
Okay.
I might be afraid she is an anomaly. I'm afraid she's an anomaly. I know. Papa, let's go. Did you hang up the phone?
No.
I thought so. Oh, hi! I need to take a picture of you. Oh, no. I drank the coffee a long time ago. I actually need the coffee. I drank the coffee.
No. Give him. Take 2 sips. No, I don't care where we are gonna wait that many seconds.
Nobody take the picture because I really need it. I'm only at 31. Yes.
No, go in here. Guys, go here. Go. Oh, it's closed.
Should we have a dance party, Barney? Okay, come. Ooh. Yeah, I'm dancing.
Let's dance.
I'm dancing. Yay. Girl, you need to dance with me. You need to do slow. We're dancing. Yeah. Barney dance. We're dancing.
He is dancing. Wait, guys, he is dancing. Wait.
We're just doing this every time. We're just crazy because there's nothing else. No, we're sisters. Sisters and cousins.
Persistence. Okay, guys, we're gonna update you guys when we get the coffee in like 50 seconds. Okay,
guys,
Okay.
there's 7 seconds left.
No, now all 3. Okay, and take 2 sips and then give it to him because.
I know what to do to my little Barney dance.
Okay.
Bye, Barney.
Girl, we know we are the best. I mean, I'm the best.
I'm the best. I'm the one that getting caught.
May I ask for a favor, Fred? Yes. Can you keep the suitcase? I'm gonna take it. Yes, you can. Why did you take it?
You're the best. Thank you, Barney. It's okay. I forgive you.
Don't worry, guys. I am gonna get paid back. Comment down below. Payback.
It's okay. I forgive you, girl.
Selena, I swear to God, I'm getting payback.
Okay, try me.
Try me. Girl, I am getting payback.
It's like the cringiest videos on You're not allowed to say cringes. Elina, cringes. Oh, hell no, bye-bye. Girl, she wasn't an anomaly.
I know. I'm not dumb.
Both the shutters.
Because I don't care, girl. Guys, you talk with them, okay? I'm gonna get some chocolate. I'm hungry.
I want Takis.
I have Takis, but I'm not giving you some.
Yeah, no.
You know let's teleport and mother.
Elena, she keeps giving our brother cheese, and he loves it so much. He's just like standing there, acting like the phone. Oh my God, hi. Hi, oh my God, again? Yeah. I forgot to take a picture last time, I think. Wait, I actually only have 28.
Okay, guys, I got my chocolate.
Oh, Barney, no, McDonald's had a barn this year. Oh, McDonald's had a barn. Here, how?
Guys, right there is chocolate.
Yes, no. Chocolate.
Haha, losers.
Oh, don't call me a loser, girl.
Bro, why do you always want a coffee?
What do you want?
Can you use that camera to take a picture of me? Of course.
We don't even have walkies. What is this phone say?
Ooh, God, you're slaying. You're slaying.
Oh my God, Barney, you look so pretty.
Yeah.
You have such pretty teeth. Guys. And
Yeah. Definitely. You definitely do not look like a killer.
Yeah, just don't. They're gonna come after you.
Uh-uh.
I have chocolate. Igbala, you are a killer.
Yeah. Let me get this gun real quick.
Yeah, and then you're gonna kill me. You already killed me.
No, I'm not spending money on Robux.
Guys,
Hey.
she crashed something very important to me. She
What?
crashed my heart. Hopeless darkness, my old friend.
I crashed what?
My heart.
Oh.
Hopeless darkness, my old friend.
This is an anomaly, so we're gonna not let you in. Bro, why isn't there people right here?
Yeah.
She is gonna call me baby boo. Okay, let's see. Are you an anomaly? Okay, now we're gonna see right here. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, let's check.
Why is there so many anomalies? my God! I don't want to. She found the last chocolate.
That's Payback. Elena, thank you so much for doing Payback. Hey, thank you for doing Payback.
Okay, girl. Okay.
Okay. Okay, is she an anomaly?
Yes, she is. Yes, she is. Oh my God, hello, girl. You're such a pretty anomaly. No, you're so not an anomaly. You're such a pretty, very normal.
Yeah. I have other things, I don't care, girl. Be glad we're letting you in.
Girl, why are you so mean?
Who, me?
You are mean. I'm gonna do room 6. How can I be mean? I'm doing room 6, girl.
Girl, you are mean. You literally, yesterday when a girl came, she asked us to take a picture of something whiskers, and then she took a picture of somebody and she got disappointed, and now she took the briefcase that I wanted to take.
Yes, but I did actually not take that picture, and I actually promise you that I did.
Promise is nothing. Wallah is something.
Okay, wallah.
Girl, you're crossing your fingers.
No. Wallah. Ask Elena. I did not try. Girl, stop. Girl, it's actually so annoying. Stop. How much money do you guys have?
Who?
Share money.
I have 158.
Me too.
Say wallah.
Wallah.
Say wallahi, bro. Say wallahi. Just kidding.
Girl, it's not funny to joke around that joke.
I'm not joking around. I'm actually asking say wallahi. Because my sister says, I asked her say wallah, and then she says, wallahi, I didn't do it. Wallahi.
Yes. You took both of your chocolates? She also took the chocolate croissant. Yes, I did because I big bag. No, I go up my ass and find stuff like you.
Up my
big ass. Oh hell no! You think you can take the coffee? Yeah, no.
oh my god. Oh my bad. Guys, comment down below who's their favorite member. Wait, comment down below a pink heart for Iqbala Star. For me.
Comment down below a yellow star. Comment down a purple one if it's Alina. Comment down below a yellow if it's Alina.
And comment down below,
Green Elizabeth.
yeah, green for Elizabeth Star. If you're Elizabeth, if Elizabeth's your favorite. Okay, I think she's an anomaly. No, wait. Oh, damn, look at her.
Is she?
No. Wait, I need to see in the camera.
Girl, yes, she is. If she isn't,
She is an anomaly. Bye.
I just do like.
When did we get the taser?
A long time ago.
Girl, don't tase them. We're not allowed to tase them.
Nobody said that.
I'm gonna tase you. Oh my god.
Here you go, man. Oh my god, you have so pretty eyes.
Yeah. Oh my god, you're only one color? That's really cute. Your eyes matches your outfit.
Very majestic.
Sammy Sayo. Bro. Imagine if Zara Larson does another collab with Roblox. I'm gonna be so happy.
With who?
With Roblox. Because, like, I don't know when, in 2021, she, like, did a collab with Roblox and she, like, sing.
The dolphin.
Oh, yeah, girl, you're allowed to come in. I'm doing this, guy.
Then go do guys. I haven't made it. No, I didn't take a picture.
Selena Star, you need to do, somebody needs to do room 5.
I can do it. I haven't done. I'm gonna do barn. Oh, McDonald's had a barn. It's not funny anymore. Yes, it is. So I'm so hilarious. Yes. Girl, you think. Guys, I need to take the coffee because I have 20%. No, well, I have not. You have 25. No.
Guys, I'm eating my chocolate right now.
Then, girl, eat your chocolate with your mouth closed.
No.
Why are you so mean? Nobody said you have to be so mean. Stop being so mean.
For real, bro. For real.
You're pretty mean.
Guys, don't mind their brother. He's just a little cutie patootie.
He's 1 year old.
He's a cutie patootie that always cries.
And Jebat is yes. Yes, he always cries. And Jebat is also very cute.
Oh, a ritual. I'm doing it.
It's over. It's in my room. Go take ivy drops. Yes. Hello. No, it's the wrong thing. That's eye drops.
Yeah, that works. Bro, I threw away my eye drops the time, like, I took eye drop because I know there was going to be a ritual, but then there wasn't a ritual, and then I threw it away, and then at the same time, a ritual started.
There.
Oh, wait, her outfit is cute.
Guys, I need coffee.
Okay. I have 246.
Me too.
Wait, actually?
Yeah, hold on. Do we share money?
I don't know. This is a baddie. She's allowed to come in.
She's a baddie. She knew it.
No! Look at the cameras. Bro, Selena Star, don't just close it if I say she's a baddie. Because if she's a baddie,
I'ma go do this one.
she's allowed to come in if she's a baddie. Wait, Selena, can you?
I'm dead. I didn't see that guy.
Who? The monster that's in the wall?
Yes? No, I'm at 1%. Guys, I'm dead.
Oh, girl, you're
I need
dead.
coffee. I need coffee.
Why did you do that?
Oh, wait, I thought you were in the anomaly. No, a real anomaly, but like,
3, 2, 1. Elena, take coffee now. Drink it all.
Guys, I needed that.
Girl, take everything. Go in here. In here, but when it's open.
Oh, okay. I need to go and do my pee. What is it?
Selena Star, can you always check in the cameras and I'm gonna like... No, she's not a baddie. She's not allowed to come in.
Here you go, Medic. You can eat some of my stuff.
Oh, wait, it's on fire. start. Is she good?
No, she's not a baddie.
Oh, alright. Girl, yes, we can refuse you because you're not a baddie.
She's a baddie. He's a baddie. He's a baddie.
Oh, yeah. I know I'm a good guy. Why in the hell did you close him?
Guys, I really need coffee. I have 14%. Oh, no, which one? Didn't you just... Yes, but I have still 14 and I have 1. 6, I'm gonna do 6. Come in, Matthew. Let go.
Mm-hmm. Baddie.
Let go. Oh, yeah. She just a baby, bro.
What?
She says she's pretty bad.
I know, right? I love your eyes so much, they're bawling out. Huh? She's not a baddie. Wait, let me see in this camera. You're not a baddie. Wait. She is a baddie. Look at her head. Guys. No, guys. Look at her hair, ears, and then look at this picture. Wait, we need to look at the pictures too. You're a baddie. Okay, I want to see where you're going. Wait, she's visiting Ratu? Wait.
Why is she visiting Ratu? I think she's going to eat him.
I'm scared.
Bye. I'm scared. Oh, there's a patient at 8. Ew. Okay. Transfer. Medicine. Medic.
Aw. Girl, are you gonna go out now?
Alright.
Oh. Don't hit her. Oh my, don't go on her.
Guys, I'm at 3%. 3%? You mean 3 sanity? 3
Go in here. Oh my god.
This cannot go after me. I'm gonna die. That was so disgusting. I got scared.
Why in the booty crack is just not opening?
Guys, I'm at 2%. Sanity.
Yeah, because you keep going on the monsters that like come after you.
Girl, we need to take coffee.
I
Is this
need
a baddie?
coffee. I don't think so. Wait, take the photo.
No,
Nah, this is not a baddie.
That is a baddie. Go away. What do you want, money? Red?
We don't talk anymore.
Yes. Go back.
We don't talk anymore like we used to
Don't
do.
touch my girls.
Alright, let me see. Is you a baddie? Okay, in the cameras you're not a baddie. And now let me see in this camera.
Is it baddie or no?
Nah, this is not a baddie. Selena Star, why do you keep drinking the coffee? I had 0 coffees.
Yeah, basically because I was at 1%. That's why I needed the coffee. Sanity.
You literally had a soda in your hand.
Yes, but it doesn't work. It run fast.
Okay, is she a baddie? Nah, in the
Guys,
camera she's not. In this camera.
What sanity do you have?
Guys, she's not a baddie. She's not a baddie.
What sanity do you have?
22.
Okay, I need the coffee next time because I have 50%.
Oh, okay. Okay, guys, why does this not open?
I don't know, guys. I think we need to let some in. I don't know.
Wait.
I'm here for an appointment. Yeah, shit. Is she a baddie? But she knows
What was that? She's not a baddie.
Go away, Fati.
You are not a baddie.
How are we doing? Are you a baddie or are you a baddie? Let's see.
Are you a baddie or are you a baddie? Okay, I think she's a fatty.
Yeah, a baddie.
Wait, let me see. Okay, she's a fatty.
Is she a baddie or is she a patty? Let's say that instead.
No, she's a fatty.
Oh, that is so not a baddie. No, that is so not a fatty.
Yeah, that's a baddie.
This is so much a baddie. It's outfit inspo, makeup inspo, teeth inspo, and height.
It's T. Makeup T, outfit T, hair T, everything T.
The teeth is
Yeah.
I have to think.
Guys, should we end the video?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It has been
Selena Star.
Annie Ball Star and the stars